Hi everyone, I'm Sam Adam. I'm on my way to pick up my car today. They called me yesterday. They said my car has arrived. The factory sent me a message. But then yesterday I was a bit busy. I couldn't go. So today I've just left and I'm on my way to pick up my car from Honda Avenue, Islamabad. So I'm just going to show you the whole process. Picking up this the car, and I'm in Islamabad right now. So I'm going to show you a bit of Islamabad as well. This is Islamabad, the Highway Express. So let's see. There you go. This is the main street. If you see Faisal Mosque right at the end, I'm sure you can see it. It's quite far away, but it's right at the end of this road. And we're just going to turn. We're going to make a U-turn now and going back towards Gulberg Green, GD Road. I think that's like a Islamabad Highway Express. Well, this is not the one. Okay, this is not Faisal Masjid, so don't even think about this one. Let me see if I can zoom that. I'm sure you can see it, right, those pillars there behind the top of the black car. Yeah. That is Centaurus shopping center on my right. I bought this car and I just heard this one. The car prices prices have gone up for 4 lakh, which is about £2,000, I think. £2,000. So I'm lucky. So I bought, I bought it before the prices went up. So it's nice. I'm in a taxi. This is InDriver. InDriver, I think it's a Russian app, and it's quite good. They're cheap as well, cheaper than Uber and Cream. Going through the underpass, and we're going to be leaving Islamabad and going further towards GG Road or PWD and that side. But way before that is Gulberg Green, and then Honda Avenue is there, where I'm picking up the car. This is Pakistan. So those of you don't know, this is Pakistan. So hopefully I'll bring some more videos about the food, about the culture, about businesses and overseas, overseas Pakistanis, like if they want to come and settle here, because I moved I moved to Pakistan from UK about 3 years ago. I had enough in UK. That's traffic police, I think, or normal police, I don't know. Yeah, I've been living here 3 years now, so it's quite good. I really like it. Lifestyle is better, way better than London. London is a bit too hectic, too robotic life, just, you don't really enjoy life. I mean, everyone's different. You might enjoy it there. You might like it. It's up to you. But for me, it wasn't. That was the thing that I couldn't live there for the rest of my life. So I thought, you know what? Although Pakistan was a kind of a new culture, new country, new place, language as well and everything. But I thought, if I move back and I'm gonna settle here, that would be really, really better for me. Much better for me. I mean, if you think about it, a lot of our parents and our uncles and aunties, I mean, one of the generation before, us, they moved over to make better life. So, and their kids are now moving back to their own countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. Yeah, we're getting there. So this is a taxi. I'm in a taxi. He's got GTI. Yeah, this car is a GTI, and some other logos and the VIP service. He was asking me what language am I speaking, and I said, then I realized. He says, oh, okay, that's fair enough. So we're not far from the place. As I was saying, a lot of kids are moving back to their parents' countries. Africa, I've got friends in Africa. Literally, I've got friends in every country in the world. Almost every country. Africa, Asia, even Russia, that side. Baltic states, Europe, America, South America. A lot of friends in South America. Hola amigos, ¿cómo me le va? Todo bien. Estoy en Pakistan. So I was gonna say that it's kind of good here. Live in Pakistan and travel the world and go to other countries and you don't have. It's like if you're living in Pakistan, you have no mortgage, nothing. So it's easier. It's better that way. Right, we're almost there. वो सीधे जाएं, सीधे अगले से. ये तो किसी सोसाइटी में जा रहा है. ये मैकडोनल्ड्स के जो साइन है ना, अटक का साइन है, ये इससे अंदर हो जाए. Goldberg Green is behind this building, and one day I'm going to come over there. I'm going to show you the society. It's very, very nice society, but expensive, and it's a strategic place. It's really good. It's between Islamabad and it's one of the main road, so it's good. Here you go. This is Honda Avenue showroom where I'm picking my car. Idhar hi utar de. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm gonna pay the fare and then I'm gonna go inside. Oh yes, thank you very much. Okay, yeah, of course. Our cars, I don't know. It's gotta be inside. It's gotta be in there. Right, this is not the one. My car is white. Honda Civic. They've got CE. That's Civic, but that's different color. Normally they got car, they renovate in this place. They've got screen there, and they're working on it. This is CE, not mine. This is not mine. Well, it's a similar, but mine is white color, maybe inside. So let's check. That's the man in there who's dealing with us. Sorry. Okay, so which one? It got to be this one. New one. Applied for. Maybe this one. It got to be this one. That's the one. I think. They're getting ready. Yes. I'm going to show you inside. Look at the alloys and that rim here is they're going to take the tape off. Yes. This is the one. Brand new, 0 me. Okay, I'm gonna go and find somebody. I'm gonna hand them. Okay, all right. This city, somebody bought this city and they're paying on 150,000 rupees. 150,000 rupees on means that on is a commission. You have to buy a car, brand new car, but if you want car straight away, right away, then you have to pay extra money, which is 150,000 rupees for this car. For my car, which is over there, he's about to do he's gonna do the windows. So I asked him a tinted windows for 25% here and 35% at the back. So yeah, no worries. So sorry, what you say? ये क्या है?
कुछ भी गिरेगा सामान वगैरह इस पे रखने लगेज वगैरह।
कितने का है
ये 25 है।
हैं?
लगेज वगैरह रखिए, खराब नहीं होगा नीचे कारपेट आपका।
All right. Yeah, I'll take it. They're giving me extra things anyway, so obviously I'm going to pay 2,500 rupees for that. Yeah. On for this car is a 4 lakh rupees, which is about 2,000 pounds, I reckon. 2,000 pounds. Meaning if the car costs you 40 lakh or 41 lakh with the taxes, 42 lakhs with the taxes and everything, that means you got to pay 46 because 4 lakh is on. But if you order it and then wait for your turn, which means that they normally give you about 3 months. If you wait for 3 months for your car delivery, then you don't have to pay on. You just pay the price of the car. That's it. But if you say no, I've got the money and I want a car right now, then they got cars and they will charge you on. It's commission. I don't know what they call it on, but it's commission. They charge you that. And I saw that lady paying 150,000 rupees for city over there, city. And he goes, I said, I'm glad I haven't paid anything. I haven't paid on. But if I sell this car right now, I can. I mean, if I tell them, listen, I bought this car and I want to sell it, they will have a buyer. They'll contact somebody, and people will come and they'll pay me the price of the car and plus extra 4 lakh rupees straight away, and they can have the car. So, which I don't want to do that because I just bought it for myself, innit? I've driven other cars, but I really like driving this car. So I thought, you know what? I like it. It's good. And this is cities. All right, they're doing tinted windows here. Look what they're doing. ना यार मैट घर में पड़े हैं हाँ मेरे पास हाँ सिर्फ पेपर लगाएं क्योंकि मैट मेरे घर मैंने गाड़ी बेची है तो उसके मैट मेरे घर में पड़े हैं हाँ बिल्कुल This is going to be 35% black. And this one here, see the Honda sign there? Wow. I'm gonna show you from the other side. This is yes. There you go. This guy is doing it. He's gonna paper mats because I'm gonna go home. I've got car mats in it, so I've got them home, brand new. So you just put them on the one. You can smell the brand new car smell. Zabardast. ठीक है
कॉफी
ना अब मैं कॉफ़ी पी है थैंक यू जज़ाकल्लाह This is how he does it. He sprays it and then he cuts them. He's going to do them and he's going to do these. I'm going to show you later on once it's done. I'm still here. He's done 2 sides and the back. Sorry, there's 2 sides, 2 doors. This door, that door, and the back. And he's working on the other side. And then we're done. That's it. That's where he's doing that. New right, he's done this one. That one is, I think he's finished. हो गया जी अच्छा okay can you stop this? Yes. Okay, so we are in now. I'm in the car about to take you know. Okay, don't worry about this. File though. I'm just gonna go and get petrol and check the air pressure. That's my seatbelt.